Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Maple here, and today I'm back with yet another video. Before I get into it, make sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. It helps my channel so much. Let's get right into the video. So as you can tell by the title, today I'll be showing you guys how I make these gaming thumbnails that I usually do that are pretty easy to make, pretty clean and nothing too complicated. So first of all, I use something called PicMonkey. It's literally on your browser. I think you can get an app and all that too, but I usually just like use the desktop version. I'm nothing too fancy. So I got the Pro edition. I did pay, but I believe you can do some stuff for free or get free trials. But this site has definitely changed my thumbnail game. I used to make really bad ones and now I do decently. So you can choose to do a automatic canvas that goes perfectly to a YouTube thumbnail right here, as you can see. I always use this, and sometimes when I'm too lazy and I need to make a thumbnail quick, I'll take one of my old ones and just replace the background and text, but today we're gonna make a fresh one. So I click to YouTube canvas and it'll bring me here to a fresh canvas. So as you can see over here, there's like different options. Photos and videos. I'm gonna go ahead and add photos or videos from my computer. And we're gonna pick a picture I have in my screenshots just to make a thumbnail. Okay, so I'm gonna take this old picture from back in the day whenever I did 1.17 survival. So I'm gonna place this as my background, so drag it over until it's like fills the screen like this. It'll be all pixelated, and then you got all this. What I like to do is reposition image, and I kind of like to zoom it in a bit depending on the picture if I don't got my FOV on as high. So I'm gonna reposition it until I like it and I find that good. Okay, apply. So next up, I always bring my little character over, and what I'm gonna do is drag it over like this. Don't make it full, just like make sure it's like this. And then I'm just gonna put my little character in the corner, shrink it down a bit, don't want to make it too big. I'm gonna make this to be on my top layer, and then what I'll do next is I'll go in graphics here. I'm gonna go in basic, and I'm gonna pick this rectangle right here. This is the border I always do in my thumbnails, so I make it all across the screen up until it's to the other corner. I'm gonna bring my little character up here. So now we're going to add the effects and the outlines. So I'm gonna click the layer here with my character. I'm gonna do shadow and outline right here. Drop shadow, I'm gonna put it on. And then outline, it's always automatically orange, I don't know why. And I'm gonna put white. I like the white outline for my character, kind of looks like a sticker type thing. And then I'm gonna click on this rectangle layer. Say if I want to change the color, I always do different colors usually. So maybe this one I can do, I don't know, purple, why not? Then I'm gonna do fade and blend down here. So I'm gonna fade it out. So it's kind of like that transparent, like little thing that I usually do. So we got that. And then I'm gonna go ahead, click text, add text. I always use the font called Freshman. And then I'll type my text. I always do it in lowercase. How to make gaming thumbnails. So it's kind of like all weird right now. So you can reposition your text. I'm just gonna fix it here. And then I'm gonna change my text color to white. You can do it any color you want. And then I'm gonna do shadow and outline for this text. Drop shadow. Outline, I'm just gonna do black. And I just noticed I did a typo. And then I just reposition it where I find it to be alright. I usually don't add too much text so it doesn't take away everything in the picture, but I'm just gonna make it like this. I expanded it. And say if I want to add some other logos, I'll go ahead and download them. So I'm gonna go download a YouTube little logo. Okay, and then I'm gonna drag it here. Do that. We're obviously going to shrink it down. And then we're going to do shadow and outline, drop shadow. The drop shadow really helps with anything you do. So I'm gonna do like a little white outline. Ooh. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of rotate the picture. Like so. I want like a little controller too. Or like a keyboard and mouse. So I just went ahead and got a random picture of like a keyboard and mouse. I'm gonna put it on. So as you can tell, there's like a weird background. I have a feature where I can actually go ahead and remove the background. It's pretty easy to do on Photoshop and other little editing software. I'm just really bad at that stuff, so I love that feature. I'm gonna turn the thickness down for this. I'm gonna also kind of like put this over here, this corner. And whenever you're happy with the result, you're gonna go ahead and press download and go into the print option and then download. So I got my thumbnail here. Perfect. I love it. And then it'll just save in your little gallery, so you can see your most recents here, and you also have like a folder of everything you do. So I'm just gonna show like examples of my other thumbnails I've done. So we got this recent one, we got this live stream thumbnail I did, high pixel rank giveaway. I like this one a lot personally. Channel goals right here, which are pretty nice, And of course, my Terran SMP thumbnail. Yeah, like as you can see, it's very easy to make a thumbnail with this if you want to get PicMonkey. The price, it's on sale right now. It's not too much money, and I believe they do like free trials. So if you just want to try it out, cancel the payment afterwards. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. If you did, again, leave a like, a comment. It's really appreciated. It helps people discover my channel. And also make sure to subscribe. Alright, see you all later. Bye.